In this video, I'll teach you operators, logic operators, which are more than, less than, equals, different, and, or. So what we are going to do is that the user will give us a number, and we will compare which number is more, less, or if it is equals. So the user will insert two numbers, and we'll compare these numbers. So we'll write two variables int a equals 0 and b equals to 0. So now we ask for the numbers. So we put cout and we will write, give me the first number. Give me the first number, sign, and we save the value in a. And we put another cout for a jump line, and we write the same. But now we ask for the second number, and we save the value in b. And now we'll do the comparison using the logic operators. I'll compare if the numbers are equals. If a equals to b, we'll write cout the numbers are equals. And also we put a jump line. Okay, in the if, when it's only one sentence inside, we could put without keys. Also of this comparison, I'll compare if a is greater than b. We'll print cout the biggest number is a. The biggest number is a. And we put a. And another jump line. And now the other comparison. If a is smaller than b, or b is biggest than a, it means that the biggest value is b. Okay, now with another operator. Now we'll compare if the values are different. If a is different to b, and we print the value are different. Is the otherwise of the first comparison. Another logic operator that we could use is mod. It serves to know which is the residue of the division. For example, if you divide 2 by 2, the result is 1, but the residue is 0. Mod is only the residue of the division. So we put if parentheses a, the percentage symbol, 2 is equals to 0. It means that is here. If it's pair, we'll write the value now. We'll write is pair, and before we put a, in in the opposite case, we put A is odd, so we put an else and we put the same, but here we put is odd, and we could do the same with the other. I'll copy and just change the values. B, B, okay. Also, it exists another kind of sentence, and, or. Okay, now I'll compile to see how it works. Okay, give me the first number. I'll put 3 and to the other 4. It says the biggest value is 4. The values are different. 3 is odd and 4 is pair. Okay, at the moment it all the sentence. The only thing that I miss, I put it here is spaces. This time I'll put another value to see if the sentence equals works. Okay, 2 and 2. It says the numbers are equals, 2 is pair and 2 is pair. Okay. Like you see, at this time all the sentences are right. If you see these sentences don't run when the values are equals. The sentences cout only run when the comparison is right. If you see here, we do an exercise of pair and odd. Is this part? Okay, now I'll do 2 sentences in only one. Okay, I'll put an if A is smaller than 3 and also B smaller than 3, and this is the end. No, B is smaller than 3 if both are less than 3. It will say both values are less than 3. Okay, cout and copy paste. Here we put both values are smaller than 3. The sentences will compare both of them at the same time. Now I'll copy this, but with now or it writes with this symbol. The symbol is beside of number 1 and upside of the normal keyboard on the laptop. So we compare if A is smaller than 4 or B is smaller than 4. So we'll print sum of your values is less than 4. That means that if you put one number smaller than 4, we'll print this. Okay, so I'll compile. So I'll put 2, 1. The biggest number is 2. The values are different. 2 is pair, 1 is odd. Both values are smaller than 3. And sum of your values is less than 4. Okay, another one. I'll put another values. 4 and 5. Okay, if you see, it doesn't have any complication because we don't put equals. I'll change these values. 6 and 6. Okay. If you put 5 and 4, okay, I'll put 5 and 8. And it says sum of your value is less than 4. Here I don't change the values. Okay, are the logic operators. Okay, this is all for the video. See you next time. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.